Hello, welcome to QuickInfra. In this video, we will see how to create an infrastructure on AWS. First, we will select the infrastructure projects. We can customize this, we can add services, we can remove services. Once we are done, we will select the target account, Generate Terraform. Terraform is generated. Now we can provision the infrastructure. It will take a couple of minutes for Terraform to execute and our infrastructure will be ready. Okay, now infrastructure is created. Let's verify. Login into VM Instances, Cloud Provider AWS, Target Account. This was the account in which we have created. And this is the infrastructure template that we used to create. And this was the region in which we have created the infrastructure. So here we can see all the servers are created. And they are running. And we can manage the servers from here. We can start, stop, reboot, delete, take backup of the servers, manage the IP address. Thank you for watching.